Today I'm going to talk about inclusive education. But what is inclusive education? Inclusive education is about ensuring access to quality education for all students by effectively meeting the diverse needs in a way that is responsible, accepting, respectful, and supporting. Students participate in the education program in a common learning environment with support to diminish and remove barriers and obstacles that may lead to inclusion. Inclusive education provides the opportunity for all students at different levels to have access to education without being discriminated against. How do teachers respond to difference among their pupils? I consider that difference among students are not taken into account by the teachers in our country. The classes are planned in a standardized way, which is why students get frustrated and abandon their studies, because they believe that they are not capable, and many times they become a problem for society. Teachers are not having training to face this reality, and many do not even realize the problem that is occurring in the classroom. I think it's time to do an analyze and look for alternative solutions to help students, teachers, and parents to contribute to better education. Another question is, what technology do teachers need in order to respond more effectively to diversity in their classroom? Well, not all students learning in the same way. That you have to change the way to teach. That use of technological tools and is important. That there are different types of intelligence, and that it is necessary to know the plan of class, the plan a class, and be successful. Other question is, what are the role of teachers in education and ongoing professional development? The teacher must be a guide for the student, enhance their strength and help overcome the weakness of the student, using different techniques to allow to include all students regardless of their problem and their intelligence, even helping the student themselves, and in that way have better results in their accompaniment with the student in their education. Inclusion allows teachers to learn new teaching techniques that can help all of the students. It's a good idea have a planning to in education, inclusive education in all educational institutions. How can teachers be better prepared to work in mixed grouping of pupils? I think it's important that teachers are constantly in training to be able to face the different challenges they have in the classroom on a daily basis. They also have to be very creative when planning the class to achieve the expected objective. Also, use different techniques to motivate students and achieve significant learning. Use technological tools that is make use of TIC to innovate and focus teaching on the student and not on the teacher to achieve meaningful learning. One big impact, use big image. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a good day. Bye.